Ever feel like your beauty routine is missing something? Like you're doing all the things but still wondering, how do these girls look so effortlessly pretty? Yeah, same. But here's the real tea. There's no secret spell, no magic potion. It's all about the right beauty secrets that actually work. Today, we're unlocking the glow up code every teen needs to know. Easy, real, and totally doable. No crazy 20-step routines, no spending your entire allowance on fancy creams. Just smart tricks that make you glow inside and out. So, what are beauty secrets anyway? They're those little hidden gems. Simple hacks, smart habits, and tiny tweaks people swear by to level up their looks, keep their skin healthy, and boost their confidence like crazy. These secrets cover everything, from must-do skincare moves and makeup hacks, to lifestyle swaps and food habits that actually change how you look and feel. But here's the thing. Beauty secrets aren't just about looking cute for Instagram. They're about feeling good in your own skin, loving your reflection, and giving yourself the self-care you deserve. Hydration, sleep, stress, it all adds up. And when you start stacking these tiny glow-up habits into your daily routine, trust me, you'll see the difference. So grab your water bottle, sit back, and let's dive in. Here are the beauty secrets that'll help you look effortlessly beautiful and feel like your best self every single day. Beauty secret number 1, face icing. Face icing, or a cryotherapy facial massage, is a simple yet effective technique that involves massaging your skin with ice cubes or an ice roller. It's an easy way to promote healthier, vibrant skin. Here's how to do it. Start by thoroughly cleansing your face to remove dirt and makeup. Wrap a couple of ice cubes in a thin cloth or grab a chilled ice roller. Gently glide the ice over your face using upward and outward strokes, focusing on areas like your cheeks, forehead, jawline, and under the eyes. Keep the session short. About 5 to 10 minutes is perfect. This trick can help reduce puffiness, tighten your pores, refresh tired skin, and soothe inflammation. It's a great morning ritual to wake up your skin. Beauty secret number 2, facial gua sha. Facial gua sha is an ancient Chinese skincare practice that uses a smooth-edged tool, often made of jade or rose quartz, to massage the face. It's perfect for improving circulation and enhancing your natural glow. Here's how to try it. Cleanse your face and apply a facial oil or serum for easy gliding. Hold the gua sha tool at a 15 to 45 degree angle and gently scrape it in upward and outward strokes, focusing on areas like your cheeks, jawline, forehead, and neck. The benefits: it helps with lymphatic drainage, reduces puffiness, enhances blood flow, smooths fine lines, and promotes natural facial contours. Plus, it's super relaxing. Beauty secret number 3, face steaming. Face steaming is a calming practice that opens your pores, hydrates your skin, and enhances your cleansing routine. You can do it at home with ease. Here's the process. Start with a clean face and tie your hair back. Use a bowl of hot water or a facial steamer. Add herbs or essential oils like chamomile or lavender for an extra treat. Keep your face at a safe distance to let the steam work its magic. Steam for 5 to 15 minutes and enjoy the benefits. Softer skin, unclogged pores, better hydration, and even some stress relief. Beauty secret number 4, DIY lip scrub. Want silky smooth lips? A DIY lip scrub is your best friend, and it's super easy to make. Here's a quick recipe. 1 tablespoon brown sugar, 1 tablespoon honey, 1 teaspoon coconut oil. Mix these ingredients and gently massage it onto your lips in circular motions for a minute or 2. Then wipe or rinse it off. Follow up with your favorite lip balm for soft, kissable lips. Store your scrub in a small container and use it once or twice a week. Beauty secret number 5, Vaseline hacks. Who knew Vaseline could be such a beauty lifesaver? Here are some creative ways to use it. Eyelash and brow conditioner. Apply a tiny bit to your lashes and brows at night to nourish them. Lip balm. Say goodbye to chapped lips with a swipe of Vaseline. Highlighter. Dab it on your cheekbones for a natural dewy glow. DIY cream blush. Mix it with a little blush for a creamy, radiant finish. Tinted lip gloss. Combine it with lipstick for a DIY gloss tint. Makeup remover. Use it to gently take off waterproof makeup without irritation. Each of these tips is affordable, simple, and incredibly effective. Remember, everyone's skin is unique, so always patch test new products or techniques. If you have specific concerns, consult a skincare professional. Beauty isn't just about what's on the outside. It's about feeling good in your own skin. These beauty secrets are here to help you shine brighter every day. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more beauty tips.